Don't make ugly PowerPoint slide ever again like this. Make them instead. This is very beautiful. So in this video you are going to see how I made this beautiful slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. To be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here and make sure it covers the whole slide. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here and write here the, and change the font to Arial Black and change the font size to 120. Make it center and keep it over here. Press Ctrl D to duplicate and write here Creator and change the font size to 170 and increase its size and place it like this. Select the rectangle and hold down the Ctrl key. Select this text box, also this one. Go to Shape Format, go to Merge Shape and click on Subtract. Click on over here, go to Shape Fill and select this fill color. Now I have to insert a picture from my computer. Go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. Let me select this picture. Click on Insert and make sure it covers the whole slide. Click on right button and send it to back. And make a duplicate slide. Go to the first slide. Go to the second slide. Let me zoom out. Hold down the Ctrl key and scroll the mouse and increase the shape size like this. Increase its size and place it like this. Now let me zoom in to 100%. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Click on right button, go to Format Shape, go to Fill, go to Gradient Fill and select this gradient. Go to Direction and choose this one, Linear Up. Select this one and increase the transparency to 92%. Select this stops. Click on over here, go to Eyedropper and select this color. And this is looking beautiful. Now I have to add some text box. Go to Insert, Shape, pick a text box, drag it over here. Write here the creator and the description. Now select the rectangle, hold down the Ctrl key, select this text box and this one. Press Ctrl C to copy. Go to the first slide, Ctrl V to paste. Let me zoom out and place everything outside of the slide. Go to Home. Go to Select, go to Selection Pane and select the picture and increase its size like this. Now go to the second slide, go to Transition and apply Morph. Now let us watch the slideshow. And here you will see this is looking very beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family.